Flash floods in Cleveland throw the city into turmoil. A sudden storm poured 4 inches of rain into the Ohio city within 1 hour late in the afternoon. Rescue boats cruised the streets in flooded sections, such as Shaker Heights. One bus was swept from the road and submerged. 20 passengers narrowly escaped drowning. Many homes were devastated by the fast-rising waters. Damage to property is estimated at over $2 million. No loss of life reported, but several were seriously injured, and in the brief but savage onslaught of nature, there were numerous cases of exposure and shock.